that the conduct of SARS, or let me say the disbanded SARS, was ignorable, and there was no country ever to have witnessed that kind of thing. Probably the US recently is facing something near that, but this is Nigeria. And the conduct was not acceptable and will remain a dark part of our history. SARS was funded by public funds, and the entire essence of the Nigeria police force is to ensure that there is law and order, that there is security for our people. And when SARS turned against the people, it was right for the people to protest peacefully. Now, let me commend Mr. President for coming immediately to issue that statement that SARS members who were involved in those atrocities will be brought to justice. This should be with alacrity. And of course, the Inspector General of Police had to announce the disbandment. The protest, some physically involved, others through their pens, some through their prayers. I think the protest has yielded the desired result so far. And there may not be need to continue to protest again when SARS has been disbanded, and those culprits who are involved in the killing and maiming of Nigerians will be brought to book. I think we should give the government the chance to implement those as quickly as possible. With that, let me call for the 1 minute silence.